Which kid doesn't love remote control toys? Surprise your little one and bring a wide smile to their face with Taaza Garam Aeromodelling Expert Remote Control Metal Quadcopter Drone. The Expert Metal Camera Quadcopter is equipped with safest blade protecting hood. It has a metallic structure and super anti-falling performance. It has hand-throwing takeoff with headless mode. What makes this quadcopter is a must-buy is the one-key return feature. One key locks the heading. After the aircraft locks the heading of the correct direction, it is easy to return from any direction at a long distance. It has built-in gyro for a hexagonal rotor and a stable hovering and accurate control which makes flying more freely. It has the LED navigation light, a perfect indoor and outdoor flying for both kids and adults alike. The quadcopter is very easy to control and will enhance the operating ability of your kid. Taaza Garam's recommended age for this quadcopter is 14+ years.